Hello my dear friends, dear YouTubers. Today we're gonna make a new video with unboxing iPhone 16 Pro. So here is my old one, iPhone 12 Pro. It was, to be honest, very good phone, 512 gigabytes of memory, and I thought it's time to do a little upgrade and go for 16. And obviously we're gonna compare a little bit, like a size, maybe screen, just a quick one. So the 16 Pro, I bought it with the same memory, 512 gigabytes as well. So yeah, I'm really happy that I made this upgrade, and the color I've chose is what's it called? Black sapphire. No, sorry, black titanium. Okay, and this one, it was kind of silver. So you got this metal silver edges around, but the back is white. But it's nice. So let's go ahead and open up, break that seal, and see our new iPhone 16 Pro phone. So as you remember in my other video, I was unboxing Samsung. It was still a little bit much more difficult to break, but on iPhone it breaks very nice and easy. But never mind. So here we go. This is the moment I was been waiting for, and here we go. Black titanium. Wow. I don't know if I can't probably describe on the video, and I can't really show in a video this color, but in a real life it looks really awesome. So also 16 Pro, they a little bit increase in the size, so 6.3 inches. The old ones up to iPhone 15 is 6.1. So let's just quickly compare the size. It's probably not much. You're not gonna see a really big difference in size, just a little bit, but you can see definitely the camera size of the camera is massive. I mean, this phone used to take really nice pictures, so I can imagine what kind of quality pictures this phone is going to be able to take. And let's see the width. The width looks the same, so I don't know, it's like when you hold in your hand it just kind of feels bigger, but I think it's just optical illusion. It's just probably because of the camera, but you can see the height a little bit increased, but not much. So well, like a few mil. Right, okay, let's go ahead and remove this protective peel from the screen. Ah, that's so enjoyable. Wow, love it. I mean, first impression, yeah, very excited. So as you can see, both screens up. I mean, this is a little bit dirty screen, so it's got protectors, so I'm gonna put the protector on this one as well straight away after I finish my video. So let's again just compare a little bit the size, put on a table like that. As you can see, it's not much difference. So in here you got again SIM card slot, same like here on this side, some probably volume up and down, and instead of switch you got the button. Let's have a look this side. Here you got extra button for the camera and button to lock the screen. So again, let's compare the size, put next to each other, as you can see, really not much difference. I would say maybe 3, maximum 4 mil taller. Okay, let's go ahead and just quickly turn it on, and later I'm gonna start transferring. It's lovely, really lovely color, matte finished edges. I think it's Titan, if I'm not wrong, but yeah, I love the color. Color's nice. Hello Apple, lovely. Here we go. As you can see, like, you got that little notch there and a little island there, so it looks much more neat. Right. Hello. Hola. It's in different languages, it says hello. Swipe to open. Okay, we're gonna choose English as usual. Select your country. United Kingdom. Right, this is the language. Okay, already selected. I don't know why it's telling me to do this. Appearance, default, medium, large, medium. I'm probably gonna go with default for now, and we'll see later. Quick start. Set up without another device. Looking for nearby devices. What we need. Oh well, here we go. Unlock to continue. You found already. Just need to do Face ID. Come on. Here we go. Wow, this is lovely. This is awesome. Waiting for the phone. Okay, so what we need to do is probably scan that cloud. Here we go. It's a really satisfying moment. Because on Android you get barcodes, on Apple you get this cloud, which is scans, and then continue on the phone. Set up for me. Okay, so I'm gonna need to put the passcode. Setting up your phone. So finish on your iPhone. Keep this iPhone near your iPhone while your information is transferred. Okay, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I believe it's gonna take some time to transfer. Choose a network. Probably need to go and get the password as well. Or maybe not. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Wow, so it's lovely. We're doing unboxing and transferring as well. So I'm gonna have to sell this one. It served me quite good, like I think 4 years. It was lovely fun, really enjoyed it. Love it, but I believe this one I'm gonna enjoy even more. The bezel on the edge is much smaller. Face ID. Okay. Don't use Face ID with mask. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Lovely. Transfer that from iPhone. Okay, yes. Let's do this. I can't wait. I'm really excited to start using my new iPhone 16 Pro. Terms and conditions, agree. That's lovely. Let it scalp a little bit. Right, I'm back. So what's going on here? Okay, apps and data settings, wallet, one item. Only one item? I think I had more than that. Never mind, I'm gonna add some later. Update your iPhone automatically. Only download automatically. Continue, okay. Set up later, location service. Or shall we do it now? Okay, analytics and silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off, or check inside in control center. Okay. Action button, so it shows like what the back button on the side here does. Press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the action button to open camera, turn on touch, or access a favorite iPhone feature. Okay, we're not going to customize now. Camera control. It's lovely. It looks beautiful. See, it shows you what it does. Okay. Recorder setup later. See, I'm not interested in the moment. Emergency source. Press and hold for emergency source. Continue. Okay, let's do this. Transfer data. Blah blah blah. Here we go. It looks nice. Also, I've got already a new case, brand new case, mag case. It's got protective screen as well on the camera, which is good. So I'm all set up. So yeah, what else? What else comes in the box on this phone? So you just get a cable. I like the way Apple makes boxes. It's so nice and simple, and yeah, very satisfying. So we get a cable, which is to get this pin attached as well for your SIM card. So we're gonna leave it like that. So let's open and unpack the cable. Look at that, it's lovely. How neatly it's packed. Amazing. And the cable, I like the quality of the cable. It feels like it's not like it used to be old one, you know, like rubbery, just rubber or plastic. This one is like a material. I don't know if you can see. It's white and a C-type new cable. So obviously you can't use your old cable. It's pretty short. It's not that long, maybe 1 meter length, but it is very flexible and feels nice. Obviously it's gonna get dirty soon. What else we get? That's quite interesting. Probably manual. Look at that package. Before I think you used to get the sticker, Apple sticker, but not anymore. So yeah, so there's just a quick manual. See, I'm trying to save the cost and obviously wastage, because we don't need to waste, you know, so much rubbish throw away in the landfill. Just a little piece of papers, different languages. It's all stuck there. I'm not gonna rip it apart, just keep it like that. So here you go, it's even loose. So simple. So simple, satisfying. Right, okay, so I'm just gonna keep it inside the box, because I don't need it now. I don't need to read, to be honest. Everything is straightforward on the screen, all information, all instructions, what to do and how to do. It's really easy, anybody can do it. So this is just, I don't know, basic info, nothing special. We're gonna leave it in the box. I was thinking to go for the Max, but I thought it's a bit too big. It was quite suitable for me, that size, to keep in my pocket. And I thought, like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that, and it saves an extra 100 quid. So still about 2 hours to go. Okay, let me come back to you later when it's done. So here I'm back. Transfer is completed. So as you can see, I've got all my 3 iPhones. This is number 8. This is 12 Pro. And this is 16 Pro. It does look a little bit bigger when you look at it. Maybe just because the case is a bit different. Or is the camera big? Maybe camera makes this phone a bit big. So yeah, as you can see, this is the same wallpaper been transferred to this one, so it looks a bit different. Let's open up. Yeah, the screen does look somehow bigger. So as you can see, they both works perfectly fine, no problem. Everything works well. So yeah, all done. I've got my new phone. This is how it looks on the screen. The difference between them, bit extras. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy. So what can I say? Thanks very much again for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. So this was quick unboxing, maybe probably not quick, but yeah, unboxing 16 Pro iPhone, quick review as well. And yeah, I'll see you in next videos. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.